Mas. Nag-swimming ang baby. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, andito tayo sa Anyer ulit. Bakasyon namin guys. So we have 1 week. At least 1 week na holiday. Kaya unwind,
Good.
yeah, good job. Swimming si? Gusto nag-swimming ka? Kaya. Oh, where are you swimming? In Anyer. Ganda ng view guys. Ayan o. Ayan, sunset. Tapos kita buong ano. Oh. Ayan ang view. Tanggal talaga ang ano dito, stress. Ayan. Makapag-refresh kahit paano na. Napagod si Papa sa work. Napagod si Papa. Si Kiara. Ano, kaya pa? One more?
Ayaw.
Oh, good.
Ayaw.
Sige na.
Ayaw.
Kalahati lang dito. From here.
Ayaw.
Sa gitna lang doon.
Ayaw na.
Sige na. Kain. Sige na. Ang ganda ng tubig o lalim. Ha?
Yan.
Wala yun.
Yan. Kalit ng yan.
Kaya, sige, papunta na lang doon. Malapit na. Sige na.
Ayaw.
Dito malapit.
Ayaw na.
Lagay ko yung camera doon.
Ayaw na.
Ay, kaya mo naman eh. Ang galing ni Bibi ah. Dati kaya mo na yun doon sa dulo eh.
What the?
Di ba nagagawa mo itong gano'n sa dulo? Doon hanggang doon. Oh. Body. Baby. Baby akin. Where are you going? Ha?
Swimming.
Okay. So we will swim. We will swim today.
No.
So it's holiday. Kailangan swimming si Kaya. Okay, dyan na. Ganda ng kanyang ang kanyang lugar. Doon tayo. Doon tayo nakaraan kasi mainit doon sa pinakataas pala. Yun doon. So lumipit tayo sa baba. Pero maganda yun sa taas. Pag nandun ka, kita mo yung buong sa taas. Ang problema nga, hindi maganda yung kanilang aircon. So ito yung pool nila, maganda. Nag-i-enjoy si Kiara kasi malamig. Tsaka sige na, go na. Go, swim ya. Okay, go. Ay, sarap. Lalim. Relax lang kasi. Ha? Oy. Ano?
Kapag na doon.
Punta doon. Ikaw na pagpunta. And go. Kick. Mas mabilis pa. Talo ako ah. Bag. Mas magaling si Kaya. Ang nice. Say nice.
Nice.
Good job. You like it?
Okay.
Okay. One more?
Ano na doon?
Okay, let's go. Ayun na.
Ay, parang dito ka na
Pabalik.
Okay.
Go back.
Yes.
Okay, sige. Swimming daw siya pabalik. Okay, go. Swimming. Whoa. Ang aming swimmer. Akiko Kiara. Good, galing ah. Yan. Good job. Shout out kay Pa Brian at kay Pa Jonathan. Sino nagturo kay Kiara? Who's your teacher? Swimming teacher? Pa?
Babayaran.
Pa Brian. And then, another one is Pa
Sino
Jonathan. Okay.
na ha?
One more?
Okay.
Okay. Let's go. Yan, so marunong na siyang pabalik-balik na. Ayan, almost ano to siguro 5 5 meters lang to eh. Bakit po 10 oh, maka ano siya di okay na. 10 times ano na yon, 50 meters na. Oh. Again.
Ate.
Okay. Ready go. Yung kick ha, ayusin yung kick, okay? Okay, go. Ya pa Jonathan, ang pa Brian, go. Those are your swimming teachers. Kaya na yun. Alam niya kung saan nag-i-stop eh. Kaya niya yung pool eh. Gusto niya yung pool. Lapit lang mo. The kick. Isin mo yung kick. Yung kamay na lang. So yung kamay hindi niya mapagsabay. So di pa niya mapagsabay yung kamay. Yung rhythm ng kamay at saka ng kanyang paa. Pero survival. Kaya na yan. Sa dyan sa may swimming pool. Kahit malalim. No?
Ate.
Sige, you like more?
Yes.
Okay. Are you tired? No? Not yet? You're not tired yet?
Ayaw.
Okay. Okay.
Nagaganda tayo.
Mamaya na. Swimming ka pa eh. Okay, go. Dalaw tayo dito. Come. With Papa.
Ate.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Use your goggles. Sige. Palayo. Okay. 1. Ayan, lahat. Yan. Good daw. Ka-ready pa. Alam niya rin kung mauuntog na. Pag-adjust. Yun na. Say hi. Hi to my vlog. Say hi mo na.
Bibili.
Yeah, pa
Ay,
dyan.
bibili ha.
Pap-
Ay, bibili lang yung kakadon.
Pa Brian.
Ate.
Okay. Sige na.
Ano ka man matigang sumit?
Sige.
1, 2,
2, 3. Bilang.
ganyan na.
Sige. Yung kamay na lang yan, oh. Pero lumulubog ka kasi dapat hindi ka lumulubog eh. Ibig sabihin, nag-i-slant yung katawan mo. Should be on the top of the water like this. Hindi ka nasa ilalim. Set, go. Kahanap ng kaibigan. You can step on the floor, yeah. Bisaya. Okay.
Bibili na.
Okay, one more again. 1 minute. Satu lagi katanya. Ready? Set and go. Nauna siya, naunahan po. Careful. Okay, keep going. Oh, maganda yung ano ni Kiara eh. Nakadaya, tumadyak yung kick off. That's good. Nice, Kiri. Bentar, ready? Set,
Go.
go. Please, nauna na. Go. Na full start si Kiara. Full start si Katie. Malaman ang Katie lagi dia. Kiara kala ya.
I'm fast.
Yeah, you're faster. It's because you kick faster, right?
My old is 12 years old.
You're 11 years old or 12?
12.
12. Kiara, how old are you? Kiara, how old are you? 13. Kiara, you're 13, right?
My class 6.
You got 6.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. What school are you?
Sorry, bangsa palang sumi.
Ni Palam Simi. Okay, that's good. Kiara not in school, but she's in Breakthrough for Life. It's
Who out you?
what? Huh?
Ate.
Okay. Go. Nauna si Kiara pag may tadyak. Galing, oh. Katie, go faster. Oh, pagpabalik si Kiara. Oh. So going there. Katie.
English and Indonesia.
Yeah, how did you learn English?
Yeah.
How? You learn at school?
Yeah.
Okay.
Speak
English.
and Indonesian.
Indonesia. That's good. That's good. At least you're speaking English really good.
Yeah.
Oh, again. Already. Kick faster, Kiara. You keep losing, man. Oh, she's stretching first. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Come on. Are you ready? Kiara, are you ready? Carrie's ready.
You strong.
Yeah, you're stronger. Come on. Come on.
One, two, three. Wait.
Wait, don't push. Oh, follow.
3 tahun sudah.
Oh, udah jauh dong.
Jauh.
Oh.
Punya adik.
Mm-mm. Yeah. Tapi dia nggak kelihatan sih. Ya, yang
Ini juga operasi 2 kali.
iya juga nih. Dua sekali.